Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily remove a background from a complex object like a tree or someone's hair. I often see a lot of beginners having trouble of doing this because you have to keep the small detail in the photo, and if you remove it like a branch of a tree, it's kinda looks weird. And there's a simple trick of how I usually do it. So today I'm gonna show you the trick. Okay, let's open up Affinity Photo and get started. So as usual, I use a photo from Unsplash as an example. I'll put the link in the description so you can download it as well. Okay, so the sky looks boring and I want to change it, but I want to keep the small detail of this tree. I don't want to remove the branch and leaf. So first, mask this layer, and as you know, this step is optional, but I recommend you to do it, and I'm gonna show you why is that. Then click this photo layer. You don't want to click this mask layer. Go to select sample color. I want to remove the sky, so click on the area that you want to remove. You want to keep the tolerance around 10 to 15% only. You don't want to go more than that. Then click apply and click on this mask layer, and then click delete to remove the background. And if you want to be more sure, create a new layer and apply a solid color. It's up to you which color you want to use. I'll go with red. Then drag this layer below the photo layer. Now you can see which area that you might miss. And if you remove something by accident, you can always bring it back. Okay, use brush tool and then click on this mask layer. Make sure the foreground color is white, and then click on the area that you want to bring back, like this. Okay, sometimes you need to repeat the process a few times. I'm gonna show you something more complex because this background is simple, it only has one color. Okay, like this photo. If I want to remove the sky, I need to repeat the process a few times because the sky has more than one color. Yeah, like this. So I need to repeat the process a few times until the sky is gone. Okay, and if you want to remove a background from someone's hair, you can use this method as well. Now let's change the background. I will use this sky here. and apply some adjustments to make it look more real. Yeah, I think it's good. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoy and learn something new from this video. Hit that like button if you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in the next video.